Good morning, good morning, good morning sa lahat ng mga tao dyan sa Pilipinas. Sa ating breakfast guys, meron tayo ditong arepas. Soy milk lang pwede sa atin dahil mag-bro yung tiyan ko. Okay, sa ating umaga guys, meron tayo ditong arepas. So this is our arepas. All you have to do is to slice your arepas into two. And if you make your arepas, guys, it's 2 cups to 1.5 cup of water. And then the thickness of your arepas is just like this. Sorry. It's just like thick like this. You have to do this. That's how thick your arepas is if you want to flatten it. Dahil i-mold mo siya and then flat, flat, flat. And as thick as this or as thick as your thumb, depende guys sa iyo. Dahil si arepas, all you have to do is like a sandwich. Yan ang gagawin mo sa ating arepas. And of course, we need some mayonnaise or ano yung mga condiments na gusto ninyo. And lagyan din natin siya ng meat. So, ayan ang meat natin guys. We have pastrami, we have turkey, and we have Canadian bacon, and we have this delicious cheese. Ayan si cheese guys. And then, i-fold natin yan si cheese. And, before that, i-ano muna natin ito dito. So, ayan siya guys, para makita ninyo anong kinain ni Lola. Or I have to move here in the middle. I think I have to move here in the middle. So, ayan, I have to move in the middle. Then, gusto ko is ito siya. Well, it's up to you guys. If whatever you use, then go ahead. But before that, mag-uno muna tayo ng juice. Yung mga drinks natin guys. Well, sa morning, gusto ko yung mga orange juice. And by the way, this orange juice is fresh. Hindi ito fresh. So, ang orange juice natin is a frozen one. Kasi mahilig kami uminom ng juice. Ang amin is, ilagay ninyo siya sa, o bibili kayo ng frozen juice para hindi yung araw-araw or every other day kayo bibili ng juice. Masarap din siya. It's just like a fresh juice. Okay, I have to move dito sa center para malapit ako sa ating meat. So, ayan. Gusto namin ito is tomato juice. And every morning, guys, I cannot live without coffee. I have my coffee, but it's a decaf. It's made from the farmers in Texas. It's EB brand na decaf coffee. Masarap siya. Mild and masarap. So, ayan siya. Para sa ating mocha, lagyan natin siya ng Hershey's Mocha Caramel or Chocolate Caramel. So, ayan. Para magiging mocha siya. Diba? So, libre na yung Starbucks mo na $5 ba yun? So, hindi ka na pupunta sa Starbucks, guys. Meron ka ng masarap na coffee. Oh. This is the coffee I love. So, sa ating arepas, all you have to do is to slice it half. And then, lagyan ninyo siya ng, depende kung lagyan ninyo siya ng horseradish. This horseradish, guys, if you don't know, if you want to use this one, tikman ninyo yung mga condiments. Dahil minsan, hindi nyo alam, very hot siya. Very spicy ang horseradish. Gusto ko siya sa sandwich. If we use pastrami, so, ayan. Oh, nadamihan ko pa. Delikado pag madamihan dahil talagang ano mo yung hot niya. Very hot siya. Very, very hot. Well, you have to taste it, guys, para malaman ninyo gaano ka-hot ang ating horseradish. So, ayan si horseradish. Kumakain na ang horse, guys. So, ayan, and then, ito siya ay pang-pick up ng pang-pick up ng olives ko, maano siya dahil, ayan. So ito ang ating masarap na breakfast ngayon. Naisipan ko late na siya. Actually, it's already 11:30. Yeah, 10:30 brunch na siya, guys. So, brunch na. Arepas. Tamang-tama dahil arepas is a heavy breakfast. Oh. Very sarap siya. So this arepas is really good. And if you want to add mayonnaise, then go ahead, you add mayonnaise. Ang ating mayonnaise, guys, is 90 calories for 1 tablespoon. So ayan siya, lagyan niyo siya ng 1 tablespoon, 90 na yan siya. Plus, ito siya may oil dahil niluto ko siya ng oil. Well, ang arepas, you can just cook with the oil. Pero akin, gusto ko siya iluto ng oil. And then, we have here our cheese. And we have our meat. So, yung isa, ganito lang siya kalaki. Parang kagawa ka rin ng sandwich or parang burger siya. Ganito lang siya kalaki. It's up to you guys if you make it a lot. Dahil itong 2 cups ko, nakagawa ako ng 8 pieces na arepas. Ganito siya kalaki and ganito siya ka-thick. So, ayan lang siya. You have to slice it thin. Mas masarap siya pag thin siya. Very yummy. I learned how to make arepas while we live in Kazakhstan. I have a friend. She's a Chinese Venezuelan and she loves to make arepas. Thank you, Liling, for teaching me how to make an arepas. All in our group, guys, we knew how to make arepas because of Liling. And because we live in Kazakhstan. And because we're neighbors and we're friends. So, ito ang pa-breakfast natin. Naghintay tayo sa mga bata dahil mga bata tulog pa. It's Sunday, guys. And very yummy ang ating breakfast. Brunch, actually, it's brunch. Oh, talagang gustong-gusto ko si coffee. Masarap na coffee, guys. Oh. And guys, meron din tayo ditong banana bread. Mga 3 days ago, 4 days ago, buhay pa siya. Pag ako'y magluto ng banana bread, guys, magluto ako ng tagda-dalawa. And then, ilagay ko sa freezer yung isa. So, ayan lang siya na iwan sa ating isang bananas. Well, thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Mabuhay Pilipinas! Arepas for today's breakfast.